Good morning everyone. We're at Hope Junction here. So today I'm going to be taking you guys into Coghlan Bush, give you a view of Coghlan Bush, which is on the west bank right here. So it's a bit overcast, had some rain. And it's drizzling right now, so hopefully the weather clears up a bit. So we are passing Hope Junction here now. This is entering Planting Walk. As you can see, the sign of the school is over there, Hope School. We are entering Planting Walk here now. So when you're going up here from Hope side, Coghlan Bush is the first street, which is on your right. So we're in Planting Walk here now. That's the mandir on our right over there. Coghlan Bush is right there, where this vehicle is coming out here. So this is the beginning of POUDEROYEN. So this now we are in Coghlan Bush here now. See, I had a lot of rain, water high. Got a little shop over here on our right. They're closed though. So on the right over there, those houses is a new road. So from the new road, the people backyard, you can see the street, vice versa. So I think this is Kutur, the rice farmer Kutur. The family is in here. I guess this is their stuff. Not sure though. Yeah, it has to be. Yeah. Oh, this vehicle and combine and thing over there. They got a big trush there, way. Big trush of coconut. Infinity. No, they got sports bar in here. That's Infinity is a sports bar. So I gotta go out on the main road for sport right in here. event here. Hope it's a wedding. Maybe you can pass back. Mother wants to get over this weekend. Pass back for some salmon curry. Big building over here. Next one on your left. Nice. Check that out. Cool, huh? Radha Krishna Mandir here. Radhe Krishna. Clean it up, guys. Clean up the place. Nice fence. Yeah, the old drug line over there, right? Yeah, you gotta take a chance and go walk over. Building going on your right, going up on your right over there. Long big.
Yeah, there's more than a sinking here.
Yeah, bridge. Coming soon, spectacular. So Spectrum. Oh, there's a lab, people. Spectrum Labs may be coming there. Mango tree na nga mango.
Iyawan.
Iyawan mango.
But the first one, so yeah.
This coconut tree na nga ng coconut to.
The next one.
The next one full. So one on the left here. I got some big trash there. Lang mango.
This look like the holy street or what?
Holy. Got some construction, got some sun in there. Construction, maybe a house going up in there. Check out the coconut tree there.
Is that like break up the place? Because you see we're going on down to the back. And then big thing.
Need some
I remember that.
I got some mango on this tree up here. The coconut tree there, but the mango behind. Got some nice bunches there. See? Check this out. Some big tractor na combine here. The mango loaded. That's spice mango, right? as you guys can tell, mango in season. Check out the big hack, the hack up there. Check it out anyway.
Middleland. Not Coghlan, Middleland. Like ranch. When you come out to here, you gotta get washed. Coghlan?
Hey, Rover, out by gate. Oh yeah.
You gotta get the water in your face.
Yeah, you don't know.
Deep.
I am piece of carry or a piece of truck.
Anyway, it look like truck.
Or higher.
Mechanic shop must be there.
So as you can tell, all on the right hand side of the street here is mostly rice field. Most of the place on the right hand side is rice fields. We got a little mechanic shop over here. It looks like we got more rain to come. I'll miss see a dark cloud up around there.
So hard. It was your fault.
That's what I'm on for there.
It was a volcano.
Yeah.
See something.
Yeah. Check out the bird. That's about 290. Massive Ferguson 290.
We here the Amalan some new road. Okay, Amalan coming here.
Yeah, ambulance.
You here?
Yeah. You guys, that's what you're seeing over there on the right hand side. That's a new road.
That building there gotta be sundar, the beach.
Yeah, big building. Nice house. Yeah. It looks like we're coming along to the end there. You got a high mark walking up there. Might not be able to go past there. Check out this board, check out this board. Black and white board, watch. Pretty, eh? What's the happening? Pala up there. See?
Back there look like a mud watch.
I think the end of the street is there though. The end of the street is right on there. We are going right up there and talk about.
I think up to the blue tank can I want to get a sign there, you can go over it.
We got some cows grazing over there. Alright guys, so we're coming up to the end. I think there's only a couple more houses there. And that's it.
Up to the blue tank is
So I guess this is the last bridge day. This bridge.
Yeah, up to the mango tree last.
You know, Adam Peace Street has got first, second, third and sub-bridge. Yeah, the man of fishing over there.
Now you're clean tree.
Oh, you're clean. You got, yeah, chop.
Going to monkey apple.
Where? Yeah, you look like one. Yeah. Sabi ka turn back here. That big pink building is which building? Yeah.
Oh, that is still there.
Down there. Alright guys, so we have to turn back here. As you can see, we came almost to the end. And then you got some big hole and thing back there. And men working. That we can see what we see back the black and white board.
Let me see, yeah. We don't pass that.
I feel so, yeah, we don't pass it.
The bird fly, you know. Maybe could fly back
Come this way, not? Alright, guys.
Black one. Let me see black one. This black.
Oh, yes, yeah. May I look for my kind, huh? Now I'll go for this part. Yeah. Checkerboard in the street. You got a nest there, bird nest. You see on the left hand side? The bird is on it. Yeah. You got a bridge here. Oh yeah. On your right. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are back out at the head of Coghlan bush, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching.